Hey, what's going on? I'll be the first to admit that I'm actually a lazy person. I'm very lazy, especially when it comes to making money online. I want to get paid, not work very hard at all. Just being honest. Well, there's a business model I recently discovered, which I'm really excited to share with you. It might just be one of the easiest ways to make money and get paid. Okay, and I'll give you an example to help you kind of wrap your mind around how this works. Have you ever heard of the Drudge Report? Maybe you have. Okay, it's very popular. It's not too fancy. It looks like it came from the 1950s, black and white articles, but it works. Believe it or not, in the last 24 hours, this Drudge Report got 25 million visits. That's crazy. Lots of visitors coming to this website. And all it does is post articles, black and white. Okay, nothing fancy at all. What's even more crazy is they did no work to create these articles. Okay, all they did was they take articles from other places, boom, 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 and put it on their website. Okay, legally. Okay, it's called content aggregation. Now you might be wondering, why do people even go to this website? Well, there's a big history with it. See, the Drudge Report was started in 1997 when Drudge created it to supplement a $10 per year email newsletter. Okay, then in 1998 it really started to get a little popular when he noticed that Newsweek was going to break a story about Bill Clinton, the president, and an intern having a relationship. People started getting in the habit of going to the Drudge Report for the top news because it's just right there, it's convenient, and it just kind of grew in popularity. It's like a branding thing, okay? Well, and the most important thing is it's convenient, okay? Because all the information is right there in one spot. It could save someone time. That's where the value is, okay? So you might be wondering, well, what does this have to do with making money doing no work? Well, here's the thing. Me and you, okay? We could kind of do something similar on a much smaller level, okay? And I'll explain exactly how this would work so you could wrap your head around this. So the first step you would do is choose a niche. And it could be any niche. Doesn't matter what it is. Off the top of my head, it will say it's vampires, right? Okay, I don't know why, vampires. So what you do is you get a website about vampires. All right. And then you would pull the latest news that has to do with vampires to this website. Okay. So if someone loves vampires, they're going to love your website because it's going to be a lot of information. It's going to be fresh. It's going to be convenient. And the best part is you did no work to create the content. Okay, that's going to update automatically with no work. It's going to have fresh, new content that has to do with vampires with no work on your part, using a tool called an RSS, which is a really simple syndication. So you can see how this stuff can provide some value to someone, okay? And again, barely any work. Now, here's the next thing you might be thinking. Okay, this sounds good, but how in the heck am I going to get paid from this? Where's the money coming from? It's a good question, okay? There's a lot of different ways you can get paid for this, but the easiest way is with an ad network. You would sign up to an ad network, display ads, and then you get paid every single day, okay, regardless from the ads, okay? That's the easiest way. The second thing that I would recommend is to create an email newsletter, right? And then you would share vampire-related affiliate products and get paid from that as well. When someone joins your list, they're interested in vampires, that list is valuable, you can always sell it, or you can, down the line, and of course you can use it to get paid by mentioning products and then get paid that way as well, okay? So the purpose of the free content that's getting displayed on your website, okay, from RSS, is to give someone a reason to keep coming back to your website so you can actually get paid. It's going to automatically update with no work. And it's a great thing to advertise to get someone even to come to your website to begin with for fresh ideas. Another really cool thing is it can kind of give you some ideas on what to create content around if you want to go that route. But the important thing is you're really providing a lot of value for barely any work. So hopefully that does make a little bit of sense. You can wrap your head around that as well. Okay. Now, if you want to go much more deeper into this topic, including the exact steps, what it takes, how the traffic works, plus two other very popular websites that actually use this business model that you might not even know, click that link below or go to trustthelink.com. But what do you think? Is this a good way to make money? Is this a dumb idea? Please share your comments. Also, if you know of a lazier way to actually earn money, please share in the comments below as well. Okay? So I hope this video or podcast might at least been a little helpful, give you some ideas, or anything like that. Okay? Anyways, hey, have a great rest of your day. All right, bye.